Hi everybody, Dylan here, back again with another unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing the new Yealink AP08 Dante Digital Signal Processor. The AP08 is Yealink's powerful audio processor designed for seamless integration into modern conference rooms and areas. It is ideal for medium to large rooms where multiple microphones and speakers are going to be deployed. So let's open this thing up and see what it looks like on the inside. So the box itself is very well packaged. It features a picture of the unit as well as Yealink's familiar branding. So right away on the inside, we will have the quick start guide and the safety information. And then underneath that is the AP08 unit itself, along with a bunch of other cables that I'm going to run through later and show you guys. So let me get these cables out of the way. And here it is. Let me get this out of the plastic. Securely packaged in the box, and then in this plastic wrap. This thing looks very cool. Not too heavy, not too big. All the ports are very clearly labeled. This is an advanced digital signal processor for professional installed audio systems. The AP08 is compatible with Dante systems and can support up to 16 Dante audio inputs and 16 Dante audio outputs, including 8 optimized Dante inputs with dynamic acoustic echo cancellation, intelligent noise cancellation, and reverberation suppression. The other items included in the box are going to be the mounting ears, a USB cable, nuts and screws, the power adapter, and then some male Phoenix connectors. Another amazing thing about the AP08 is that as a Pro Audio and Pro AV solution, it will work with other Yealink SkySound devices such as the CM50 ceiling mic and the CS10D ceiling speaker, as well as other third-party microphones and speakers. It can also be used for sound reinforcement and voice lift scenarios. I will have a link to our blog explaining those down below. It also offers automated setup through Yealink Room Designer. This simplifies deployment and dramatically improves meeting audio quality. So like I said earlier, the ports on the back are very clearly labeled. You will have 2 RCA in and RCA out ports. You will have a couple of 3-pin Phoenix connectors, including analog in, analog out, GPIO in, GPIO out, and RS232. Then you will have 2 USB ports, along with 3 LAN RJ45 ports and a MG-MT port. And then finally you have the power adapter as well. And then on the front, these lights will show up to show you what is connected in the back, along with this system button. For the system button, you simply connect a set of Yealink SkySound audio devices to the same network as your AP08, then you double-click this button. This will provide link configuration and automatic acoustic environment adaptation. If you're deploying Yealink's conferencing systems or any Dante-based audio network, the AP08 is definitely worth a look. If you have any other questions about this, please visit our website at www.ipphone-warehouse.com or give us a call at 888-201-9056. Thanks again for watching.